Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're answering questions under the topic of DNA code of life. I made a video explaining protein synthesis step by step, and if you haven't watched it, I suggest you do. The question says that the diagram below represents two stages of protein synthesis. 1.4.1 says provide labels for bond at X. We talked about two bonds under the topic of protein synthesis. We talked about the bond, weak hydrogen bond, which we find between the nitrogenous bases, and we talked about the peptide bond between the amino acids. Now the bond at X, it is the bond between the amino acids, as you can see, proline, valine, serine, and glycine, but you don't need to know them by heart. So the answer is peptide bond. B, organelle 4. Where is organelle 4? They're talking about this big circle here. This is the nucleus. Molecule 1, when they're asking you about molecules, they want you to choose from DNA, mRNA, which is the messenger RNA, tRNA, which is the transfer RNA. Now in this case, the answer is the answer is DNA, because as you can see here, we have two strands because DNA is double-stranded. So the answer is DNA. D, they want molecule 5. You still choose from DNA, tRNA, which is the transfer RNA, and mRNA, which is the messenger RNA. So molecule 5 is tRNA because it is outside the nucleus in the cytoplasm, because translation takes place in the cytoplasm. 1.4.2, does strand 2 or strand 3 serve as a template for the process that is taking place? You know that one strand acts as a template from DNA to form mRNA. So in this case, the answer is strand 2 because the mRNA is facing strand 2, which means that their nitrogenous bases are pairing. 1.4.3, write down the DNA-based triplets that correspond to the codon number 7. The codons are GUA, and they're looking for DNA. And here we're only given tRNA. So you're going to use the sequence to find the base triplets. So you're going to move from mRNA simply to DNA, and the answer is going to be G because the answer is going to be C, A, T because G pairs with C, U pairs with A, and A pairs with T in DNA. The table below shows two differences between a DNA molecule and an RNA molecule. We talked about the differences between DNA and RNA. The type of sugar in DNA is deoxyribose sugar. In RNA is ribose sugar. The number of strands in DNA is 2 strands. In RNA is 1 strand because DNA is double-stranded and RNA is single-stranded. Now let's move to the next questions. Study the diagram below. Name the process represented by A and B combined. A is transcription, B is translation because B is in the cytoplasm and A is in the nucleus. So this process is combined. The answer is protein synthesis because protein synthesis consists of transcription and translation. Where in the cell does B occur? As you can see, this is outside the nucleus as in the cytoplasm. Identify the following molecule. Molecule 1. Where is molecule 1? Here's molecule 1. Molecule 1 is DNA. I told you when you choose from DNA, mRNA, and tRNA when they're talking about a molecule. And the answer here is DNA. Polymer 3. Polymer 3 is a protein. Here's polymer 3. These round black things here, they are amino acids. They are always placed on top of the tRNA, and when they are combined, they are called a protein. Give the correct base sequence to replace numbers 6, 7, and 8. Where is 6, 7,